the league since the departure of Sir Alex Ferguson in 2013. So it's been how many years? 12 years. Yeah, going to the 13th season without winning the league title. So kickoff time, it is 12:30, the UK time. But for South African Standard Time, it is 2:30. So the context coming to this match, this is the beginning of the Michael Carrick interim era at Manchester United. You know that Manchester United parted ways with Coach Amorim. Following the shock sacking of Ruben Amorim last week after a dismal FA Cup exit to Brighton, the Red Devils are in total flux. Manchester City, meanwhile, is in a fierce title race, sitting second and chasing Arsenal, the Gunners, who are 6 points ahead of Manchester City. The path to the derby, the current